If your n8n or make.com canvas looks like this spaghetti nightmare, you're doing it wrong. Pure no-code crashes under heavy data. Let's fix it.
To build scalable architectures, you must separate the brain from the hands. In our hybrid pipeline, messy API data comes in first. Instead of feeding it to visual nodes, we route it directly to Python. Python is the muscle. It cleans the entire JSON array instantly for zero cost and pushes the perfect payload to n8n, which acts purely as our secure backend router.
Inside our IDE, we use the Python requests library to handle the logic. First, notice the top lines. We load our API tokens securely from a hidden .env vault, so we never leak sensitive keys. Next, we use a simple for loop and the .get method to safely extract the exact data we need. This guarantees the script won't throw a fatal key error if a client forgets to input their email. Finally, we wrap the entire post request in a strict try-except block. If your server crashes, your automation survives.
Now look at n8n. No massive spaghetti wires, just a single highly secure webhook node set to post. It quietly waits to catch the perfectly formatted JSON payload from our Python script without any memory bottlenecks.
Let's execute this hybrid pipeline in real time. Watch the Linux terminal as I fire the script. Python instantly shreds the messy JSON, filters out the VIP leads, and deliberately pauses for 2 seconds to respect our API rate limits. When we switch over to n8n, you can see it catching each cleaned payload flawlessly in the background. Look at those 100% successful executions with zero Zapier task fees. This is how you build a fault-tolerant, enterprise-grade data router.